Magandang buhay mga ka-eco-friendly, mga ka-eco-lover dyan. Again, this is your Neville RC. So for today's video guys, I will show to you our male version sa among Mountain Dew creation. One of the famous among creation at the same time. This is the glow in the dark. Again, this is made of recyclable materials and eco-friendly. So very attractive and stage at the same time very colorful. That wore on Mr. and Miss Agham 2024 coronation night at the same time, and that they awarded as best in recycled attire, and of course the newly crowned as Mr. Agham 2024. And I would like to say thank you to the handler Ma'am Antolo for trusting again Kunas Diseños, at the same time our team. That's it guys, no? Again, this is your Neville RC from Kunas Diseños, a home of unique and original creation. So to all followers, thank you so much, and don't forget to follow, to share, and like. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone, and mabuhay.